Adrian Brambila here, and I'm going to talk about a strategy that I wish I knew 10 years ago. Matter of fact, I don't even think this was possible, this opportunity 10 years ago. And the fact that we have it today, I just learned about it and my mind is blown. When I read that damn book, The 4-Hour Workweek 10 years ago, that told me I could make money online, not work a 9-to-5, and basically travel the world. I mean, how could you ever think about just living a regular life after that? So I set on a mission to try to make money online. Man, it sucked. It was terrible. So bad, so awful, so much internal emotions of failure. And I was investing into my business with the little to no money I had because 10, 11 years ago, I was working at a call center. I made $27,000 a year. And throughout all my research of e-commerce and stuff, I thought being a YouTuber, that was it. That's how I was going to make my money. But after a year of posting dance videos and tutorials, which is the niche I pursued based off a hobby I liked, I didn't make anything. After 2 years, sure, after 2 years of working my butt off, I was going to make money, but no, still nothing. And it wasn't until my 3rd year into my online business that I finally was starting to make money. Not even a lot, but starting to. And the strategy I want to talk about today takes the same philosophy I had back then. I just feel like the tools and tech from 10 years ago today make this so much easier. You guys have it so easy. The philosophy that I first took, that I still have today, when it comes to creating an online business is, and I just put myself back into the mindset and shoes of dude, I have zero money. I cannot afford to spend money in ads or anything. I'm broke. How do I make money? Okay? That was my mindset. I still operate from that bootstrap mentality. I've never taken out a loan. I never put myself in debt when it comes to my online business. I have tried to do everything in my power to not spend money, to basically be scrappy and utilize free methods or tools or resources and create digital products or info-based products to try to make money. Things that don't cost me money. If I want to basically sell this wine glass and, with this label on it, this costs money. But if I could sell how to make the wine glass label, that doesn't cost money. So that concept, the idea, was my first business. I taught people how to dance, the robot. And so it was a digital product. Now this tool and this process today is mind-blowing. This is going to be my #1 side hustle for this year and moving forward to try to get it to a 10K per month. And I'm so excited to tell you. Before I say the next words, I just want you to hear me out to the rest of the video. Okay. Amazon, this is not Amazon FBA, but Amazon Kindle Publishing and Amazon Books. If you've never heard about the massive opportunity there is, sit back and just feel the money come to you, because Amazon has this massive, the most massive library of books on the internet. And most people think to write a book, it's this crazy thing, authors spend years writing books and stuff. But that's not the opportunity. The opportunity is to basically create niche books on Amazon. Books that will never become a New York Times bestseller, will never go viral, but will put income in your pocket. And the work that it takes to create these books, minimal. In fact, I'm going to even teach you a hack that literally takes care of all the work. And all you need to do is create the title and the cover. I'm sure we're all familiar with the Amazon homepage and all the different things that Amazon has. What you should be more interested in, specifically if you want to make money, is this section right here, Kindle Books, and then in general, the book section. And what I'm going to show you today using Book Bolt, which is my go-to resources, how I'm coming up with these ideas and how I'm going to literally make so much money with these, you might even say stupid, ridiculously easy, stupid ideas, is something that is actually so obvious once you finally know what it is. So just looking at the homepage here, I'm not saying you need to create a strategy man versus anti-strategy book. That looks hard. Or some saga.
That I could never do that. Or like, a children's book, although, I have heard those are easier. I'm not telling you need to create any of these that are ever going to show on the bestsellers. Although some people, that's their whole life's goal. Not mine. I want to make passive, easy income. And so the other opportunity that you may not know about, but you probably bought before, are journals. And I'm going to show you how we can use BookBolt to create journals and have so much data on how journals do. And before I pop open BookBolt to talk about the numbers of how much people are making selling journals, I just want you to know you can use this tool. If you do want to make one of those bestseller books and have a data-driven strategy, this tool works too. But I just want to entice you on the low ticket offers, the low work offers to get in here. Once you log into BookBolt, this is one of my go-tos. Go to products, type in any different niche, idea, or keyword, and then the category, do notebook, because this is the really stupid amount of work. In 15 minutes or less, you could basically create a product to put on Amazon and make money. And it's crazy, the numbers of what's happening here. What's going to happen automatically through a search is it's going to pop up the top results that are actually making money, and it's going to rank them in order of that. So couple data points to take a look at. These journals range from a price of $5.99 to a high price of $26.99. That's actually pretty expensive, but the average price is typically where you'd want to start. And then here's what's fascinating about journals. Journals are all the same. Inside, the content, the meat and potatoes, it's all the same. BookBolt literally has templates so you can use. All you literally have to do, no joke, is make a cover. And guess what? You can do that in BookBolt as well. But here's what's fascinating. This result here, just a black notebook lined with the hashtag badass. This is showing that it's sold 195 of these in the last 30 days. Let's see what that comes out to. $1,363.05. And you got to keep in mind, these are print-on-demand books. So it's insane. That's stupid money to basically do this. And this is probably not created by a designer. It's so simple. It's just an idea. So this one right here, Project Management Planner. Again, just a template. 84 sales in the last 30 days. So the data on the right is basically the type of keywords that are within the product description. These are important to know because when you create yours, you can basically use and leverage the keywords from here. Here's another one I love. Just creating an expense tracker organizer for people about, personal finance and money. Expense tracker, a beautiful, nice design, probably geared towards females, but that design alone is selling 18 a month. And you got to imagine these books, all the work is done already. The inside's already made. You can get the templates off of BookBolt. All you got to do is basically create the cover title and then publish on Amazon. So I just want to paint the picture for you what life could look like if you just planted one of these seeds and it brought in $106.02 a month. All you got to do is spend that 20 minutes, create it, publish it, and never think about it again. It's the definition of passive income. Here's another one, meeting notebooks, taking minutes of meetings, another 18 sales per month. This is just a matter of planting seeds. Imagine if you just made one notebook, and sure, $100 a month is maybe not a lot of money. I remember back in the day it used to be a lot for me, but it's not anymore for months of time. But let's say you created 10 different journals. That could be $1,060 in your pocket. Let's say you turn into a madwoman or a madman, and now you basically do, over a time span of a year, you create 100 journals. $10,000 a month. It's insane just by planting these little seeds, and there's not a limit to how many you can create. You use the data off of BookBolt. And again, this is for entrepreneur and business. Here's another one, project planner notebook, just organized notes, ideas. That's so simple. It's pink, black, anyone can make this. And in BookBolt, it basically does all the work for you. 97 sales a month. 97 times $6.99. This journal is literally making $678 a month. That's stupid. right? Anyone can do this. The insides are all the same. It's just about creating a cover. Now here's the icing on the cake. After you've done your research, all you have to do is click here, go to create, and now you can literally design your book cover and then your entire book project right here. So the research is all done, and now we can literally create the cover and in the interior all within BookBolt, and then literally 20 minutes later you can have your first product on Amazon. That is just insane. So let's say I'm creating a journal. I'm going to want to make it 7 by 10. The color will be white, and I'm going to add, let's just say 100 pages. I'm going to show you how easy this is. I don't know why, but this just came to mind. The words in here will document my rise from side hustle to dream life. So I changed some things around, and now I feel like, hey, this could actually work. But this is where things become so easier. So I created my cover. I click interior, and look at, I have all these different templates that I can literally just download, and it will go straight into the book that I just created, which was a 7 by 10. And so this is up to me. And here's other ideas. You don't have to just create journals. It can be music sheets, to-do list, create planners, office organizers. Literally, there's so many good ideas here, though. Look at cocktail journals, body measurement. If you just want, different shapes, day planners, fishing. Literally, it's insane how many templates on here that make it so easy. And all you have to do is literally just pick one and then download it. So if you want to do a dot journal, just pick the size, you click download, and voila. So we just went from research to actually creating a title and then creating the journal all within just a few minutes here. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. BookBolt has so many different types of data points. I didn't want to overwhelm you, but I do want to encourage you to go and check it out, because there's money to be made. Within 15 minutes of work, you can create your entire journal and then basically upload it to Amazon and start making passive income. It's passive because you just create it, you upload it, and that's it. And there's no limit. It is insane. This is an opportunity that you should definitely take advantage of.
Isn't that crazy? BookBolt literally takes care of everything. This tool is going to make me a ton of money, and it will make you a ton of money as well. Trust me, I've tried all the side hustles: Amazon, FBA, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, which I do transparently make most of my money from. I have created courses, I do blogging, I do YouTube. I've literally done it all. And this is, I feel like, the most untapped side hustle for this year and the foreseeable future, is to create these ebooks, to create these print-on-demand books, and to use a tool like BookBolt to basically take care of all the legwork and the research. It's literally, I think, the best opportunity right now for someone who doesn't have a lot of capital to invest in ads, someone who wants a low-risk side hustle. This is literally about just effort. Effort. Use the tool BookBolt, leverage that knowledge, that technology, and then create your product, and then do it again and again and again. It's about planting those seeds, letting them grow, and then 6 months from now, let's say if you created a book every single week, that'd be like 24-ish books, 25-ish books. Those, if just each one made $100 per month, you're sitting on a full-time income. And the more seeds you plant, the more that can grow. So here's what you got to do next. In the info box below, you got to check out BookBolt. I made an amazing partnership deal with them to hook you guys up to get started and try it out. Also, you can check out this link right here, which is going to also take you to it. But dude, this is it. If you ever were curious or wondering what side hustle should I start with and I don't have a lot of money, look no further. Make sure you check out BookBolt and try it out. I put my personal name behind it. This is a company that is going to change lives with this opportunity, this resource. And the only thing I regret is that I didn't create this company because it's so amazing. So check it out. BookBolt, links below. You can use my link. I have a special offer for you, plus a training that I'm created with it, like a PDF guide of my personal take on strategies on what niches I'm going to pursue. So not only will you get the resources and hookups and the tech from BookBolt, you'll get my personal research as well on top of that. So without further ado, check it out. Otherwise, let me know if you have any questions. Comment below. Otherwise, peace and God bless.